Oh, great.
Oh boy, what's wrong, Rick? Is it the quantum carburetor or something?
Quantum carburetor? Jesus, Morty, you can't just add a sci-fi word to a car word and hope it means something.
So this carburetor is all rusted up. Won't open. If we pry this bearing cap off, we can see the actual shaft is rusted. So we're going to have to disassemble this pivot point, pull the butterfly, and drop the shaft out and clean up the shaft. I pulled the screws from the plate, lubricated the shaft, gently forced the shaft open enough to pull the plate out. So now you can see it's just the open hole, and now I'm driving the shaft through this direction so I can clean up the shaft.
And boom goes the dynamite.
Done. So I cleaned all the galleys and the jets with this carburetor brush set, and I'm still having trouble getting fuel out of the main jet right there. So I'm actually just going to go ahead and grab this kit off of eBay. We're going to throw it in here, and we're going to see what we can get. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the video. Make sure you subscribed if you're not already. Here's some of my other videos, and I'll catch you next time.
Huh, looks like something's wrong with the microverse battery. We're gonna have to go inside.